In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to make text-to-speech sing on TikTok. Now this is a new feature which has been added to TikTok and may or may not be available in your country. To go ahead and check it, tap on the plus icon that you see on the bottom. Record any video or upload any video. Now from here, tap on the text option that you see on the top right and type in your text. Once that is done, again tap on the text and a text-to-speech feature should open up. But if you don't see any other options other than this, that means the singing feature is not yet available. But however, you can still use the singing feature on the app of CapCut. CapCut is a video editor which is mostly used for editing TikToks. You can download this application and similarly create a new project, tap on new project and upload videos or pictures. Once that is done, on the bottom tap on text, tap on add text and then type in the text that you want to change into song. Once that is done, you'll see an option of text to speech. Tap on this option and you can see all of these voices. Now not all of these sing. Try to check which one sings and which one does not. The hip hop man does sing.
Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up, but there's nothing to be afraid of.
Similarly, you can try out other voices.
Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you.
So even without using TikTok, you can make text-to-speech sing using CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today and I'll see you in the next one.